My name is Sargun Shukla. I'm from a defense background. I do rowing at national levels and I've also represented India as well. I was before rowing a national level squash player and I played squash 2 times for West Bengal. And when we shifted to Calcutta in 2009, that was the time when I was playing squash. But later in 2010, I joined rowing. I started playing inter-schools at that point of time. My sister was interested, and wherever my sister went, I was the younger. Since I was the younger, I went behind her, and that's how I joined rowing. It was very difficult for us to explain it to people. It still is, that what rowing is, because people do not understand the difference between rowing, kayaking and canoeing. Rowing is not that famous in India yet. I'll give you an example. Yesterday evening, I saw a post on Facebook from one of the Rowing Federation of India pages that our country won 2 silvers and 1 bronze in the Senior Asian Games. And I'll be honest, I did not find any of that news in today's Times of India page. I mean, I found news of Iraq's snooker players, Iraq's kabaddi players, and football from different countries, but there was no news about their very own sportsperson who were actually winning medals in Beijing, China yesterday evening. Since I couldn't do anything in rowing, so I wanted to do something for rowing. And that was my basic motto to join Bachelors of Journalism and Mass Communication. I'm doing the research as present right now, and in that very research I am looking forward, and my main aim is to highlight different sports in our country. Since me being a sports person in rowing, I've taken this as the very first priority of mine, and I've started doing my research on it. To be honest, I had heard a lot about Chandigarh University for the past 10 years, since my cousin brother is studying here as well. According to him, this was a very good university to be in, and I can now feel that it is for sure. From the time that I've joined Bachelors of Journalism and Mass Comm, the third day that I had been here, we were interviewed by a news channel in a talk show. And then the very second or third week, we were taken to PTC for our talk show again. And then we have been made to attend a lot of seminars, and where we get a lot people of newspapers and other channels, the high post people have been called, and we have been given lectures by them. So I guess it was the right choice for me to join Chandigarh University, as it's giving so much of an exposure. I don't think any university would offer a bachelor's course this much. They might offer them not after an entrance of third day in the university. You don't get to speak in a talk show for sure. But this university is offering, and that's very encouraging. So these are my 2 golds that I won in 2011, and this is my 3rd gold that I won in 2013 state championship. This is my national silver that I won in 2011 in Calcutta National Sub Juniors. This is my national gold that I won in 2012 in Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu in force event as a main bow. This is my open state national selection bronze medal that I won in my trials. 2 state silvers at the beginning of my career in rowing in 2010 in girls junior double scull and girls junior, along with a open state bronze medal in 2011 in January, 26 January. It's an honor being here as well.